Remote work, a comprehensive guide to earning online. In recent years, remote work has transitioned from a niche option to a mainstream way of working, offering opportunities across various industries. With advancements in technology, the rise of digital platforms, and the global shift toward more flexible working arrangements, remote work has become an appealing choice for those seeking to earn money online while enjoying the flexibility to work from virtually anywhere. This guide explores different remote work opportunities, tips for getting started, and the skills needed to succeed. Remote work opportunities. 1. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants (VAS) provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs. The tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts and data entry. The role is ideal for individuals who are organized, detail-oriented, and have good communication skills. Websites like Upwork, Belay, and Time etc. are excellent starting points for finding VA jobs. 2. Content writer editor. If you have a knack for writing, remote content writing or editing can be a lucrative career. Writers create blogs, articles, marketing content, and technical documentation, while editors refine content to ensure clarity and quality. There is a growing demand for quality content in digital marketing, making this a viable option. Platforms like ProBlogger, Contina, and LinkedIn regularly list remote writing and editing opportunities. 3. Customer support representative. Many companies outsource their customer support operations to remote workers. As a customer support representative, you'll handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide information to customers via phone, email, or chat. This role is suitable for individuals with strong communication skills and a problem-solving mindset. You can find such jobs on remote.co, FlexJobs, and Indeed. 4. Software developer. The tech industry has embraced remote work, especially for roles like software development. Developers design, build, and maintain software applications, and often work in teams that are spread across different locations. Knowledge of programming languages and development tools is essential. Job boards like GitHub Jobs, Stack Overflow, and TopTal are great places to find remote developer roles. 5. Digital marketing specialist. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of activities, including SEO, content marketing, social media management, and online advertising. As a digital marketing specialist, you'll create and implement strategies to promote products or services online. This role is perfect for creative individuals who understand how to engage online audiences. HubSpot, Remote OK, and We Work Remotely list numerous remote digital marketing jobs. 6. Online tutor instructor. Teaching online is another popular remote work option. Whether you're instructing students in academic subjects, teaching languages, or offering coding lessons, online tutoring allows you to leverage your expertise to earn money. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Coursera connect tutors with students from around the world. 7. Project manager. Project management is a critical role in any organization, and it can be done remotely with the right tools and practices. Project managers are responsible for overseeing projects, managing teams, setting deadlines, and ensuring that goals are met. Tools like Wrike, Monday.com, and Remote.co are useful for finding project management roles that can be performed remotely. 8. Graphic designer. If you have a talent for design, remote graphic design work might be for you. Graphic designers create visual content, including logos, websites, and marketing materials. Freelance platforms like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Behance offer opportunities to showcase your portfolio and find clients who need your services. 9. Translator. For those proficient in multiple languages, translation offers a chance to work remotely by translating documents, websites, and other content. The globalized economy has increased demand for translation services, especially in fields like legal, medical, and technical documentation. Gengo, Translators Cafe, and Prose are some of the platforms where you can find translation work. 10. Remote sales representative. Sales roles are increasingly moving online, with representatives selling products or services via phone, email, or video conferencing. Remote sales representatives often work on a commission basis, making it a potentially high-income role depending on performance. Remote.co, AngelList, and LinkedIn frequently list remote sales positions.